effective network management strategies that IT infrastructure companies can use to stay ahead of the competition. It is imperative for any IT infrastructure company to develop and maintain a strong network management strategy in order to stay competitive and maximize its potential. An IT infrastructure company's network management is a complex task that requires the right strategies and tools to ensure smooth operations. Network management includes planning, monitoring, troubleshooting, and maintaining hardware and software. Companies must effectively manage their networks to maximize their operations efficiency and ensure that their customers remain satisfied with the quality of their services. This article discusses 5 network management strategies that IT infrastructure companies can use to achieve these goals. 1. Automation and centralization. One of the essential strategies for IT infrastructure companies is to automate and centralize their network management processes. Automation enables companies to reduce the time and effort required for network management tasks and ensure that studies are performed consistently and correctly. Automation also allows for more efficient resource utilization, as lessons can be completed with fewer resources. Centralization provides a single management point for the entire network, allowing for more efficient and effective network management. 2. Security and compliance. Security and compliance are essential to effective network management in today's increasingly digital world. Companies must ensure that their networks are secure and compliant with industry regulations and standards. They must implement appropriate measures to protect their networks from cyber threats and comply with relevant laws and regulations. Companies can also use security and compliance tools to detect threats and monitor their networks. Monitoring and troubleshooting. Troubleshooting and monitoring are essential components of network management. Companies can identify and resolve issues as soon as they arise with real-time monitoring. Troubleshooting problems requires companies to have the tools and expertise to address them. Capacity planning. The process of capacity planning involves evaluating the current and future needs of the web, as well as the resources and hardware available. Taking steps to ensure the network can handle future changes, such as new hardware or software, should also be considered by companies. Performance optimization. Performance optimization aims to ensure the network runs as efficiently as possible. Companies need to identify potential bottlenecks in their network and take steps to resolve them. Optimizing the web for specific applications or services, reducing latency, and improving bandwidth may be part of this process. How can MAPL help you with network management? Network involves your entire portfolios of physical IT assets, like the hardware and servers, and non-physical IT assets, like software and cloud access, also known as your IT ecosystem. Millennium's trained professionals offer complete life cycle assistance to reconstruct security solutions. Our services are customized to suit our clients' specifications and ensure their business objectives and requirements are supported by their security infrastructure and technology implementation. Conclusion. Staying ahead of the competition in IT infrastructure companies requires effective network management strategies. Our article discussed 5 network management strategies to maximize efficiency and satisfy customers. They include automation and centralization, security and compliance, monitoring and troubleshooting, capacity planning, and performance optimization. IT infrastructure companies can ensure their networks run efficiently and securely.